Hi, my viewers. This is digital teacher Benson Kabachia. You normally get me in my YouTube, digital teacher Benson Kabachia, where we tackle maths and science. And I hope you have been enjoying my videos that I normally upload. And today we are going to discuss a new topic on science, properties of matter. Learners, I know it's not a new topic to you because properties of matter is taught all the way from grade 1 up to grade 12. And we are going first of all to remind ourselves what is matter. We normally say that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass or weight. When we talk about anything that occupies space and have mass or weight, is we talk about matter. Matter exists in three forms, namely solids, liquids, and gases. In our previous lesson, we learned about that matter exist in three forms, that is solid, liquid, and gases. And we say that solid have definite shape, definite size or volume, and definite mass. We also say that liquid do not have definite shape, but they take the shape of the container. Liquids have definite volume or size, and they also have definite mass. Gases have no definite shape. They don't have definite volume or mass or size. Gases only have definite mass. And today we are going to tackle gases as our topic, as our subtopic. When we talk about gases, we are going to talk about the composition of air. Composition of air, where we normally say that air is a mixture of different gases. Air is a mixture of different gases. So we are going to measure on four gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, layer gases or inert gases, and finally we are going to discuss about carbon dioxide. So with me, I have a table or a pie chart that illustrates the composition of gases in our air. The way you have said that air is a mixture of different gases. It is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, layer gases or inert gases, carbon dioxide, and these gases are found in different percentage. The largest component of air is nitrogen, which takes 78%. In our pie chart, nitrogen takes the largest portion of 78%. It is followed by oxygen, which takes 21% of air, followed by inert or layer gases, which takes 0.97%. Inert gases are made of different gases, the argon, the helium, and the neon. And the last gas we are going to discuss is the smallest one, which takes 0.03%, which is carbon dioxide. So with this chart, learners, you may be given in form of letters X, Y, and Z. The largest should always be nitrogen. The second largest is always oxygen. Third largest is inert gases, and the smallest is carbon dioxide. There are other components that are found in air that keep on varying depending on the atmosphere. This is water vapor and dust. We normally say that water vapor and dust particles are present in air, but they are not part of the air, and they keep on varying from one area to another. Let's go to uses of oxygen. Oxygen, which takes 21%, has four uses. These are 1, breathing, 2, burning, 3, germination, and 4, lasting. So there are four uses of oxygen. One, we normally say that animals use oxygen during breathing. Two, for burning to continue, oxygen must be present. So we normally say that oxygen supports burning. For seeds to germinate or to the process of seed to germinate to a seedling, oxygen is required. In case you leave your tool outside, the following day you'll get that the tool has different colors, especially brown. That is as a result of rusting. So for rusting to take place, oxygen is required. So there are four ways in which oxygen is used: breathing, burning, germination, and lasting. There are some experiments that we can carry to show that oxygen is used, especially in burning. You require the following materials: a grass, a basin of water, a candle, and a matchbox. The procedure is as follows. Set the experiment as shown. You require to infert your grass, place a candle, light the candle, then let the candle continue burning. What will happen? Observation: the candle went out after some time, or the candle went off. The water in the grass jar rose, while the water in the trough dropped. Why? Conclusion: water level in the grass jar rose to occupy the space left by the oxygen that was used to support burning. The experiments that are there, my learners, is that the level of the water will rise into the grass, the inverted grass, to occupy the space that was used by the candle during burning. So 21% of the volume of that grass, the water will rise. So when the water rises on the inside the grass, the water inside the trough will drop or will decrease. That shows that oxygen is required in burning, and the candle will not burn throughout. The moment it consumes the oxygen present in the grass, the candle automatically will go off. So we have seen oxygen is used in burning, breathing, germination, and lasting. Then we have nitrogen, which takes the largest portion of air. Nitrogen is used by leguminous plants to make protein. The main function of nitrogen to the plant is used by leguminous plants to make protein. Leguminous plants have what we call root nodules, which have bacteria that can convert nitrogen into nitrate into the soil. Leguminous plants use the nitrate to make proteins. Which are these leguminous plants? Examples of leguminous plants are beans, peas, green grams, and groundnuts. Then we normally say that gaseous nitrogen is used to manufacture fertilizers in industries. Then nitrogen is used to help in slowing down burning. Then we normally say that liquid nitrogen is used for preservation purposes. Learners, the main function of nitrogen in our atmosphere is used by leguminous plants to make protein. The leguminous plants have root nodules, which help to fix nitrate into the soil. Learners, we are going to see the uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used in different ways. One, carbon dioxide is used by green plants during the process of photosynthesis to make food. So the carbon dioxide is very important in our ecosystem. And when you talk about the food chain, remember plants are the primary producers. So for plants to make their own food, they require carbon dioxide together with chlorophyll and the sunlight. So carbon dioxide is used in making plant food. Carbon dioxide is also used to make fire extinguishers, which help in putting out fire in case of accidental fires. So, carbon dioxide is used to put out fire, and it is used in making fire extinguishers. Carbon dioxide is also used in manufacture and preservation of soft drinks. Companies that make soft drinks, e.g., sodas, alcoholic beverages, they use carbon dioxide in preservation of their drinks. Carbon dioxide is also used in making dry ice. So carbon dioxide have four main functions: making plant food through a process called photosynthesis, used in extinguishing fire or putting out fire, used in manufacture and preservation of soft drinks, and lastly, it is used in making dry ice. Finally, we have the uses of the layer gases or the inert gases. Layer gases or inert gases are different. We have 3 or 4 of them. The layer gases are also known as the inert gases or noble gases. They are inactive and they do not burn easily. They include the argon, the helium, and the neon. Most of these gases are used in making electric bulbs. Argon is used in light bulbs to prevent the filament from burning out and darkening of the glass. Helium is used in filling the balloons. Neon is used in fluorescent tubes for lighting. It is also used in colored lights for advertisement in billboards. So the main function of the layer gases or inert gases, they are used in making electric bulbs. Learners, with that notes, you can be able to answer any question on properties of matter and especially composition of air. You have said gases is made up of air is made up of many gases. These gases are represented in a form of a pie chart in form of percentage. Nitrogen takes 78%, and you have said nitrogen is used by leguminous plants to make protein. Oxygen takes 21%. It is used in burning, breathing, germination, and lasting. We have talked about inert gases or layer gases, mainly used for making electric bulbs and fluorescent tubes and advertisement boards. And you have talked, the last one, we have talked about the carbon dioxide, which is the smallest 0.03%, used in making plant food through a process called photosynthesis, used in putting out fire, in making fire extinguishers, and lastly, it is used in manufacture and preservation of soft drink. Learners, with those notes and through my video, you'll be able to answer question dealing with the properties of matter. Thank you for viewing my video. Remember to subscribe, share, and leave comments. Thank you very much, and welcome to the next lesson very soon.